मिलेंगे। इस वक्त वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Premier League. The people of Pakistan and the people of China are wedded into a relationship which is unbreakable and unshakable. And this friendship, true to this famous quote, is higher than the Himalayas and deeper than the deepest ocean. But Your Excellency, my recent experience, which reassured my great faith and trust in this great friendship, was while we were dealing with IMF. And in order to fulfill the conditionalities of IMF, without Chinese support, it wouldn't have been possible at all. Ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters, please join hands with me to thank Chinese leadership for this great support to Pakistan. But it's very important to understand that we have to stand on our own feet. It is extremely important to comprehend that without strengthening our economy and without progressing our economy in the field of agriculture and industry, Pakistan cannot and will not be able to find its place in the community of nations. Therefore, this friendship between China and Pakistan is not only to promote prosperity and peace in the region, but globally we support Belt and Road Initiative of President Xi. Today, I want to make it very clear that Pakistan completely supports Chinese stand on Hong Kong, Taiwan, and other international issues. And Pakistan is absolutely clear that we will support Chinese stand without second thought for all times to come. Your Excellency, we are entering into the second phase of CPEC, which will be very helpful in transforming Pakistan's economy. And this CPEC phase 2 will be between B2B, and of course it has huge potential of mutual cooperation in the field of agriculture, information technology, mine and minerals, and of course many other important areas of our mutual interest. Pakistan is not only a strong supporter of China's core national interest, we not only look forward to expand and upgrade CPEC, as we celebrate China's National Day, we also look forward to deepening our collaboration in areas I've just mentioned about. And ladies and gentlemen, we look forward to the visit of Chinese Premier Li next month, and this will be both bilateral visit and also participation in SEO program. I am very confident that by continuing to work together closely, we can build a Pakistan-China community with shared future. Today, on this momentous occasion, while celebrating our glorious past of over 7 decades, we make this solemn pledge to keep the flame of our friendship glowing with ever-increasing splendor and commitment. Mr. Ambassador, I once again offer my heartfelt felicitations to you, your staff, to all Chinese friends living in Pakistan, and above all, to President Xi and Premier Li and the Chinese people as we celebrate this historic occasion. Last but not the least, thank you very much for delivering birthday letter from President Xi to me. I'm very grateful that very thoughtful of him, that he remembered my birthday, 23rd September. I'll be turning 73 years. And I'm very grateful. Together we will work for a prosperous China-Pakistan relationship